Hello, in this short tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to create a cozy page into your Facebook account. First, you have to log in into your Facebook account. Once you log in, you go to the left bottom corner below your profile photo, Add and Pages. You click on Page. A window appears, Create a Page. Click the cause or community icon and then enter the cause name you would like to create. Keep your cause name as broad as possible to attract the most supporters. The cause that I'm going to create is connected with water pollution. The cause name will be Save the Seas from Plastic. Then you click on Get Started. Now your causes page is ready. You can add a profile picture if you want to, or you can skip that stage. You can also add a cover photo. In this case, the image can attract supporters to your page. Now your cozy page is ready. Welcome to your new page. You can invite your new friends and supporters. Utilizing both Suggest to Friends and Tell Your Fans, it will allow you to import the contact information of fans from your other pages to gather more supporters and spread the word about your cause. You can add your first post as yourself. You can add a short description of the cause. Save the seas. Pick up a piece of plastic every time you go to the beach. You can provide your status, you can introduce events or products, and of course you can invite your friends.